Hello friends, how are you all? I believe everyone must be very fine at their homes and they must be preparing for their examination. So in this video we will be discussing about Associate Product Manager Management Test and I'll be also telling you कि what are the job profile, क्या काम करना होता है इसमें. Re-level is giving us CTC of 25 LPA. So it's the worth one because business development में 10 मिल रहा है, business analyst में भी 10 मिल रहा है and various other posts are giving mostly 10 digital marketing में तो it's only 8. So these all things we'll be discussing in the video. क्या काम करना पड़ता है, कैसे टेस्ट होता है, कहाँ से पढ़ें, from where to study, from which website to study, is it technical or not, is it worth giving or not, and कितने दिन बाद, how many days the result will be. So these all various things we'll be discussing in this video. So let's start this and see, this is the re-level page which I just opened, and in that, after clicking to this associate product management test, we are able to find that yes, they are giving us a 25 LPA job. So now first, what is an associate product manager? So first let me show you what is it. Now what work it does. Associate जो manager होते हैं, product associate manager क्या काम करते हैं. तो the first, there are some of the work, let me highlight it, these are their works. ठीक है. What are they doing? Collecting data, quantitative product data and metric through market research. Yes, they do market research. Whenever if you are working in a company as an AP, so what you will do is, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट है उसके बारे में आपको मार्केट रिसर्च करनी कि भाई वो कितना सक्सेसफुल है, कितना नहीं, व्हाट आर देयर ड्रॉबैक्स, कस्टमर्स को पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, अगर पसंद आ रहा है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं आ रहा है तो उसमें क्या क्या मॉडिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं. दैट ऑल रिसर्च यू हैव टू डू दैट. सिंथेसाइज कस्टमर रिसर्च. बस यस, कस्टमर को जो कंज्यूमर है उनको प्रोडक्ट पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है, व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स दे वांट, व्हाट ऑल अपडेट्स यू कैन गिव that can be beneficial for the sales of your product. So these all things you have to just see. Third is gathering product requirement and aligning them with business goals. Yes, if you have got any of the ideas कि yes कि इसमें if we update it in such a form to it will definitely give a positive result. So that all things we can do. So that we have to do in this. Now next is coordinating with stakeholders to achieve the product vision. Yes, now product को डेवलप करने के लिए you can means you at times you have to create your own product which has a vision कि yes it will definitely give a good result when it is on sale. So you have to coordinate with various other stakeholders. जो shareholders हैं, stakeholders हैं, उनसे आपको coordinate करना है जिससे your company gets a good growth. Now next is developing new product features. In case if you have launched in mobile phones, what all features you can give, what all qualities you can give, what will be the difference so that you can compete in the market, what are the good features, what are the goodwills. So these all things you have to work on that. ठीक है, इसी टाइप के काम है आपको. Working on developing product strategies. आपके प्रोडक्ट कैसे कॉम्पिटिट करेगा, कैसे आपका प्रोडक्ट, क्यों आपका लोग प्रोडक्ट ही खरीदें, what are the strategies, what are the unique qualities. तो these are things you have to work on that. ठीक है, मोटी मोटी चीज़ है. you have to develop a product, you have to update it, you have to survey the market, you have to take the customer feedback, you have to just bring a unique quality in that product so that it products get on sales. ठीक है. And the thing is कि you will be in the center and you will be surrounded by the sales team, you will be surrounded by the technical team, you will be surrounded by the stakeholder team, by the warehouse team. So all the teams will be coming to you only. You will be surrounded by customers. So these all things you will be managing and you have to only tackle up these technical and each and every part. Now at times students do ask me, sir, if we are in the center, नहीं देखो, first of all कि भैया you are in the center, that's why you are being given package of 25 LPA, which is just more than double of any other section. So that is the thing, you have to deal with technical. So that's why in the test, after opening the syllabus, I just found out yes, there will be a technicality and some of the technical questions can be also asked. So we have to be well versed with that. So what are the skills required? Communication, you must be having a very good communication skills. Customer empathy, yes, because I have already told you you will be dealing with some of the customers to take their questionnaires, to take their surveys, to take their a number of interviews. So these all things you just require. Customer empathy. product thinking. At times you have to develop a new product, so you require a broad thinking, structured thinking. You must be a dynamic as well as a creative thinker, then only you can just sustain in this field, otherwise so it will be very difficult and very difficult. So these are the skills that re-level wants. Now coming on to test. After registration on re-level for this test, now test will be again of phase 1, phase 2. In phase 1 it will be of 400 marks, and out of this 400 marks you have to score 200, then only you will be qualifying this phase 1. Now in the round 1 it will be starting at 10 o'clock in the morning. It will be a 45 minutes, 150 question. Aptitude or technical knowledge, a bit technicality will be asked in this. There will be 30 MCQs to test your technical skills. Okay, majorly they require aptitude in this. Okay, mostly it will be near to the aptitude questions, some technical aptitude questions it will be there. In round 2 product scenarios, an MCQ round of 50 questions which test your response to different scenarios faced by the APM on their daily lives. Pick product scenario. It will be related to the job which you will be doing, that are you able to tackle these all things or not. So such type of question, around there will be 50 questions and you will be given 45 minutes, and this will be of 250 marks. Okay, this round 2 wants that you are a good decision maker, so that is the thing that re-level wants from you. After qualifying, after getting 200 plus marks in the phase 1, you will be straightforward directed to the phase 2. Okay, and yes, they require 500 marks total out of 1000, then only will be considered as qualified. Now in the round 3 what happens is, know your metric. Again, it is related to your field only in which you will be doing job. A round designed to test your understanding of user needs. Yes, that's the main thing, user needs. Are you able to understand the user needs or not? Translate them into product requirement. Yes, product requirement is also, after understanding your user need, are you able to convert that knowledge into the product requirement, and are you able to optimize these all things into one single product. So these all things knowledge test will be there, and it will be of 60 marks, 130 question. In this, what type of question there will be, that candidates are expected to answer 2 questions based on a case study. Yes, it will be a case study, and out of that you answer any 2. Okay, it will be of 130 marks of 60 minutes. Now, okay, 130 marks, 60 minutes. Round 4, coming to round 4, build a product. As in this job description only, it was clear cut that you have to, at times you have to design a product, taking the surveys of the market, asking from the customer, reading the questionnaire. You have to just at times you have to develop also a product. So isme that same test will be there, building a product. So it will be of 90 marks, 235 marks, 90 minutes. Candidates are assessed on their ability of understanding business requirement and translate them into communication for engineering team by creating a product recruitment document. The round will involve an in-depth understanding of a structure and writing PRDs. Tick. In this, after having a product research, you have to just, it is a section in which you have to team up with this engineers, and then you have to tell all your data. You have to give a proper feedback to them so that they can with your help they can just design a better product. So that is what the thing that is required in this build a product test. These all things will be on video round only. Okay, a question can be given to you and it will be asked. Okay, at least 4-5 questions will be there within 90 minutes. You have to just make a video of that problem. You have to upload it. So that will be a long video. Now the 5th round, face the interview. It will be simple, an interview round. They will be testing your knowledge and they will be testing your skills. Are you able to manage this APM job or not? It will be of 235 marks, 60 minutes. At least 1 hour to interview they are taking. So we have to be ready for that as well. So it was about that APM job. and yes, they are just saying that yes, they will be providing good companies out of it. They are saying that Ola, KTM, these all companies they are telling you will be getting. And one thing more, I just came across that after round number 5, after facing the interview, they will be taking at least 5 working days to give your result. So at times students are asking me, sir, I have given the test, still now they have not given the result. So please be sure, it will be taking 5 days at least, you can wait for that. And there are the timing also given for round 1, round 2 from 10 a.m. it will start to 12 p.m. Round 3 and 4 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. and round number 5, 6 to 7. So these all things are clear cut told by Relevel, and accordingly we can just study. Yes, and the last I just want to tell you from where to study. The syllabus is totally transparent in this. It tells us that overall questions will be asked from where to study. It is also telling us yes, there is a book which you can just take for help. So I will never suggest. So these you can see these are the syllabus, and also these are the books, right, materials from where you can just study. But I will suggest here don't buy these type of books. It will be very costly, 550 and it will be more than, I believe, 400 to 500 pages will be there. Pages are not written, nahi likha hai, no problem. So I will definitely advise you to bhaiya don't go for buying these books. There are various other sites where you can just get these MCQs and all. ठीक है, बस the thing is कि syllabus must be very clear in your mind, that syllabus fundamental concept of product management, technical product management, user research analyst, product thinking, design thinking. So I am just providing you one website from where you can study properly. I will be just giving it in my description box. You can see this website of engineer interview questions. There are some of the 250 plus questions of this product management. You can just go through this. Answers are also given, active channel, so answers are, and trust me, if you study these 250 questions, definitely you will be qualifying the examination. Okay, it will be very easy. So I'll be giving this link in my description box. You clear cut go to it and study. It will be very relevant and it will be very helpful to you. So accordingly, because we have to study a bit technical, those students who are non-technical also, देखो, this is the totally non-technical field. This is APM is totally non-technical, but the thing is कि yes, we are in the contact of engineers, so definitely company also want कि भाई इसको थोड़ी बहुत technical तो knowledge हो ही. So that is what the thing is. So in this video I think so I have clarified all the doubts. If there are any, you can just ask me in the comment section. I will be very happy to tell you out. And so please keep on studying. All the best, and again all the best for your examination. Please do tell कि भैया how much marks you people are getting. ठीक है, चलो, all the best, take care.